y'all just calm down.
Our story of the day is In Jesus' Name, written by Nicole Ivory. Whoa, look at this cool cover. Busy, come over here, man. Come on. Busy's always late to the party. Let's see what this story's about. When you pray and are ready to send it on its way, my sweetheart, do not forget to say, in Jesus' name. Can we say, in Jesus' name? Busy, join on in, brother. Come on. Wow. In the morning, before you start your day, ask Jesus to lead your way. And sweetheart, do not forget to say, in Jesus' name. Let's say it together, my friends. In Jesus' name. Oh, she's looking outside the window, looking for the world of opportunities. Pray for your family, mom, dad, brother, and sister, in a quiet and gentle whisper. And sweetheart, do not forget to say, in Jesus' name. Busy, come on, Busy, you can say it with us. Everyone say, in Jesus' name. Pray for your friends, teachers in your school, and that God may use you as His tool. Now, sweetheart, do not forget to say, in Jesus' name. Yeah. Whoa! Pray anywhere. You can pray in the bathtub, everybody. Did you take a bath today? I hope you did, y'all. Ooh. Anytime. You can pray at night and you can pray in the day. Whoa, about anything. You can pray about anything, my little ones. You can pray about the birds, the plane, or pray about just having fun. And Busy, you better be praying tonight because guess what? We have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of story times to record. Gosh, no matter how big. Whoa, look at that rainbow. So colorful. Jesus cares about it all. Yes, He does, my little ones. Yes, He does. Busy, Jesus cares about you too, man. So, sweetheart, the next time you pray and are ready to send it on its way, I know you will not forget to say, what do you think you're about to say? You play with that paper plane. Hey, I like that. In Jesus' name. Whoa! Look at them holding their hands together. Busy, you gonna hold my hand, brother? And guess what, y'all? Amen. Good job, good job.